So this is the laminating machine which I use for etching my PCB. So why this is the control that will be helping me to be going forward and coming back. Okay, so instead of me to be using this button forward and backward, this control over here will help me to do that. So all I need to do is just to input the length, the width, and number of times it's going to go forward and back. So first of all, this will be your length, while this will be the width, which it will use to calculate how long it's going to go front and back. So let me input a number. So my length will be, I will make it 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter the length, then press OK. Then the width will be 16. Let me make it 16. It's more than 16. Let me go back. So 16. Press OK. So once I press OK, I fix in the board. Okay. Then press OK. So enter the amount of time it's going to go forward, how many times it's going to go forward and backward. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll make it 2 counts. Okay, once I make it 2 counts, I click OK. So this LED shows that it is working, while this will show when the work is finished. Okay, so it's going to start the count now. Working. Okay, so you can see it. I'm not controlling anything here. I'm not controlling anything. You can see nobody is controlling anything. This is what is controlling it. Okay. So it is going for the second time now. So this is the second time that is going. You can see it. So it's done. It's done now. So it's injecting it out once it's done. So it is done. You can see what it's writing. Then the green LED will come up to show that it has finished. You can see it. So the task is completed. So it will keep on beeping this alarm until you click exit. Okay, so nothing is working here. So until I click exit, okay, so that is how this control works.